Well, happy Saturday. This is Sherry from Style Tips with Sherry. Today on the channel, I am going to talk to you about color swatches and why I think it's important that we each have our own set. I have been in the fashion industry for a really long time, like 35, 40 years, like long time. In fact, I always say that I actually have been in the fashion industry since I was like in second grade because I recently found a photograph of me in my second grade group photo, and I am on the top row, and I have on a matching purse with my dress. Can you imagine me saying to my teacher, hey, oh my goodness, let me run to the cubby first and get my purse for a matching for the photo shoot. So anyway, I have just loved fashion for so many years, but it wasn't until I was in my mid-20s when color analysis blew onto the scene. And it was the thing, I think, that solidified me wanting to have my own business, wanting to have my own image consultant company, because I saw the difference that knowing what colors work for you made on a woman. Whether you wore, the right color or the wrong color, truly is a huge difference on whether you look refreshed or whether you look tired, whether you look younger, whether you look older. And knowing your colors is really, really important. So way back in probably 2005, 2007, somewhere in there, we designed our own color swatches. They were fabric color swatches. They were amazing, and they have served us over the long haul. I think we've been in business, 17, 18 years, and they have served us. But sometimes things need a little bit of a refreshing. And so we have done away with the fabric color swatches. And one of the things is my husband, who is, nearing 70 here pretty soon, has been making the fabric color swatches by hand for as long as we have had the business. I can't believe I have a husband who's near 70. Isn't that something? It's like one day you wake up. I remember when he turned 60 and I thought, I never thought I'd be married to a 60-year-old. I guess I just thought, we're always just going to be married to the 30-year-old version of whoever we marry. And it's kind of funny. It's like, oh my goodness, when I turned 60 last year, I was like, oh my goodness, now you're married to a 60-year-old. It's kind of like crazy. But anyway, his back hurts. It's a lot of tedious work. And so we needed to come up with another option. And so I think we have the perfect solution for you. And so I'm going to share both the physical swatches, and then I'm also going to share with you the digital color swatches. So you have a choice. Do you want them on, in your hand to shop with, like real ones, or do you want them on your phone or your computer? And so let's go ahead and start first with the digital color swatches. So the digital color swatches you actually get right on your phone. They are they're under $20, $17 is what they cost. You can take them and you shop with them. You hold them up to the item. I'm showing you a picture right here of me shopping one day for probably this orange top, and it worked. It was in my swatches. I could look at that and go, okay, this works. If this top were maybe a little more pink, I would have to say no to it. And so I love my digital swatches. I keep them right on my phone. They're with me everywhere I go because we have an app where you actually, everything's situated on there. And so it's right there, ready to go. So what is on the digital swatches? Well, the digital swatches, as you know, first of all, maybe you don't know, but we have 6 different ones based on your coloring. And so back in the day when the 4 seasons were the thing, then 4 seasons turned into 12 seasons. And I just really felt like it was almost getting to the point where I knew we had to come up with another option. Because with color analysis, how they used to do it is they would pull all your hair back. And some companies still do that. Pull all your hair back, and all they look at is your skin and your eye color. Well, your hair is a very dominant part of you. When you walk into a room, we don't not see your hair. So you have to take that into consideration. So if you've ever had your color analysis done and they did not take your hair into consideration, I would highly recommend getting another color analysis. In fact, with one of our consultants, one of our stylists, we've got, I'm going to send you there in a little bit. You can go to stylebycolor.com and go to the Hire a Stylist page and find one who is near you. And they are all trained by me. I affirm them, I endorse them. And so find out, hey, can I come and get an in-person color analysis? Super worth your time. Absolutely will change the way that you shop and even see yourself, honestly. And so, so we have the 6 different ones, and when so on the digital. So I was talking about so we have both, but let me just kind of go through the digital first. So the digital has 36 colors on there that are your best colors. They would be the same that are on the new we call them the color card deck, the deck swatch. And so they would be the same ones on there. But twice a year, we actually update those digital swatches to give you the trend colors. So all you have to do, you have lifetime access to these swatches. All you have to do is at the top of the phone, you hit when we send an email and say, okay, they're updated, you hit the refresh button and up pops the new trend colors. And so really, really nice to have on your phone. All right. Then the next thing is I want to talk about the physical ones. And so I'm going to show you. Now remember, we've always had fabric before. These are color, and these are mine. These are my warm colors. And these have 36 colors in here that you can look at and shop with and take right with you when you are going into a store. I'm going to put here on the screen what you can see them kind of separate from this. It might be easier. But inside these, there's a scripture verse at the front, but then we also give you either a gold or a silver dot. So, or some of you get both. So I'm warm, so I only get the gold dot. That means gold accessories are the best for me. And then if you're cool, you're only going to get a silver dot. All the other color codes are going to get you're going to get both dots, okay? The other 4 get both. All right. And then what you do is you can see what your animal print is. That's here as well. The cool thing about having an in-person color analysis with someone is that they can, if you're transitioning, let's say you're transitioning and you're going gray and you're not all the way there yet, they can take your swatches, and because they're on a ring, they can take those and undo it and take out the ones that aren't good for you. And so I really am very, very excited about these. Now, you can also get the trend colors on here as well. We have a new way to do that, so you can get those popped on there as well. But it's just one of those things, ladies, that if you do not have your color swatches, whether they be digital or whether they be physical swatches, and again, I recommend both, go to stylebycolor.com, click on, up at the top, the banner, Hire a Stylist. It's not even that expensive, you guys. It is very cost effective. It will change your world. I'm telling you, but look at Hire a Stylist. I keep digressing, don't I? Because I believe it in so much. Color is so important. And then scroll down and find someone near you. If there's no one near you, then pick one. They can do a virtual appointment with you. Somebody might be closer than you think, and so you might be able to meet in the middle or something that way. So whether you want the color card decks, the new color card decks, got this all mixed around here. So whether you want one of these or you want the digital, go to the Hire a Stylist page on Style by Color and click and see all the women who are trained to help you. And I will say that, honestly, if you've never had a color analysis, this is something that should not go undone. It is the first thing, I believe, when I am working with a client, and I don't work with personal clients anymore. I do some executive training, that sort of thing, but I don't do styling anymore because our company's grown so much and I got to run it. And so, but we've got amazing stylists to do that for you. But I would say that that was the main thing. When I first, and even now, you got to know your color. It's the basis of your style. And then you move to the next. In fact, that's how we do the closet outfit planner. It's by color code. We could have made it super easy and just done one color closet outfit planner each season with neutrals. Here you go. But no, I believe in color so much that's why we do this. And so make sure, go to that page, look at it, and treat yourself. And honestly, these are only $25. They're not expensive. The digital are $17. And I think if you get an in-person consultation, usually you get both. They're included. All right. That's what I have for you today. I'm super excited to share this with you. Y'all, it's just exciting. And so until next week, I will see you then. Bye-bye.